Hello everyone. Are you an aspiring software engineer who is looking for an incredible opportunity as an alternative for internship? Well, then I've got some great news for you. In this video, I'm going to talk about MLH Fellowship Program. I will give you insights what this program is all about, who are eligible to apply in this program, when are the applications open, and how you can apply, what will be the further rounds to get selected in this program. Finally, I will tell you what are the benefits you will get if you participate in this. The MLH Fellowship Program is a 12-week program which provides you funding, mentorship, and a vibrant community for early career software engineers who are interested in open source. This is a chance for you to level up your skills and take your career to a new height. So there are 3 exciting tracks in this fellowship. First one is obviously the software engineering. If you want to collaborate on real world projects, you can choose this track. The second one is site reliability engineer. If you want to learn skills which help to keep the systems run at scale, then you can choose this. The third one is Web3. If you want to dive deep into the blockchain technology, this track is for you. So no matter where your interest lies, there is something for everyone. And here is the best part. The MLH Fellowship Program runs round the year. That means you have multiple opportunity to participate in this amazing program. Batches starts every few months. So you can select a time which is suitable for you, and if you are not selected in one batch, you can again apply for the next batch. Now let's talk about eligibility. This program is open to all students irrespective of the institution in which they are studying or the course in which they are enrolled. So if you are interested in any of the 3 tracks which I mentioned before and you have done something on your part in these fields, then you are good to go. So how you can be a part of this life-changing experience? All you have to do is to fill out an application form. This application form will include your eligibility, your experience, and the reason why you want to participate in this program. Once your application gets selected, then there will be 2 interview rounds. The first one will be the general interview and the second one will be the technical round. In general interview, they will ask you some questions so that they can get to know you better. The second round will be challenging. This is the technical round where you will have to show your coding skills and you will have to explain some code which you have written in the past. So this is your chance to show your previous work and grab this opportunity. Now let's talk about the fantastic benefits you will get by participating in this MLH Fellowship. First, expert mentorship. You will get access to the top-notch mentors who will guide you every step of the way and they will help you to unleash your full potential. Second is the real-world experience. You will get to work on some real-world projects that makes a difference. So it's time to put your skills on test. Third one is the flexible working hours. So say goodbye to rigid schedules because this program offers you flexible timing and allows you to work whenever you want. Fourth, expand network. Connect with a diverse and passionate community of like-minded individuals and build relationships that last a lifetime. Fifth, stipend. You can also get stipend up to $5,000 for your hard work and dedication. Apart from all these, you will also get to attend some engaging talks from the industry experts, which will sharpen your knowledge and broaden your horizons. That's not all. You can also participate in exciting hackathons and coding competitions and take your coding skills to the next level. Applications are open right now, so if you are interested in participating in this program, I encourage you to apply as early as possible. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. You can find the link in the description box and subscribe my channel if you want to get more updates about interesting opportunities in coming future.